Morning, everyone. Uh, Welcome to another episode of Hook Them All. We at Virginia. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Uh, so conditions are looking good. We have it's actually low water at the moment, and yeah. So we had a bit of a northeaster blowing for I think a couple of days. Water's pretty decent. Anything the water is a bit low. Yeah, we're setting up at our normal spot, so we're fishing towards the right hand side. Yeah, that's a nice bank here. Yeah, so we're going to be fishing on the white water. Going to be trying for some shad. Probably put out a bait a little later when the water comes in, but we're going to be trying for shad. Going to throw a few baits out and keep you posted as we go. Yeah, guys, if you didn't subscribe as yet, please subscribe. We've managed to hit the 1,000 subscribers, and thanks to Jordan for doing all the editing. Jordan is only 14 years old, and he does a good job with the editing part of all our videos. You don't see him a lot on the videos because he's still in school and he's studying and stuff. So whenever he gets a chance, he's on the beach. But most of the time, he's actually doing the editing part of the videos. And yeah, this is where we're gonna be fishing today. It's a good morning on the beach though. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna do things a bit differently here today. Ashmir is here with me. Ashmir, say hi. So, I told him to put a shad trace. I'm gonna make a ground trace, similar to the guys that fish with the dingle dangle style, but it's just gonna be a normal cone sinker. Yeah, with a Daiachi. Yeah, and a small piece of foam on the hook. There's a nice bank here. You can see in the somebody there on that area there. You can see there's a nice white water working there. So we're just gonna try and throw some baits over that bank and see what we get. Yeah, I'll show you the trace now I'm going to be using. Yeah, so nothing fancy about this trace here. So 2 swivels, running sinker, and yeah, my hook. This is I think the most important part here. It's a little bit of an older trace that I'm using, but yeah, I've got a little bit of foam on it. Actually, would like to have a little bit more foam on this, but yeah, I'm a bit too lazy to try some foam on this, but we're going to use this. The reason why we put a foam for the guys that still learning, we also learning as well. We're not professionals, but yeah, it'll just keep the bait above the sand. So yeah, it'll float, and then yeah, it gives the fish better visibility in the water, so you can see your bait. But yeah, this is what I'm using in the morning. There's a shad that came out down the beach already. It's my father caught. We'll get him to show us a little bit later. And guys, Isabel is here.
Hi. Don't run a mile all the way to your grandparents.
She went to see her grandfather, now she's out of breath. Right, stay tuned, guys. you ever need to make a bed at the beach, 4 water bottles for the bed sheets. That trick was done by Isabel. Water is nice, guys. First bait out. That's quite. There's no fish at the moment, but we're gonna persist. We'll get a bite just now. Guys, yeah, as you can see, not even 5 minutes. I'm on. I think it's a small round skate, or I don't know. Let's see what. No. It's a small bed. So guys, the sand shark was tangled on my face. Maybe a bite, maybe a good bite. But anyway, first throw, first bite. Bite nevertheless. Yeah, let's put it back. Now guys, that was my first throw. Let's see what happens on the second one. Okay, guys, first bait produced a bite. Second bait now. Red eye, fillets. All my friends that know me, this is a beach delicacy. Nothing goes better than this here. That's a big meal. That looks nice. This is a beach delicacy, guys. On the cooler box lid too. I don't know if the cooler box lid was washed. Guys, we're still waiting for the bite. Second bait in the water. Yeah, northeaster is blowing. Not much and view. But let's see, guys. We're gonna get a bite here.
So guys, one uncle here got shot. Stay tuned.
Yeah, guys. fishing for about 3 hours now. See, the conditions are. What is nice? There's absolutely nothing wrong with the water. It's just that it's very, very hot. But yeah, no fish. It's that two shad that came out. One came out, I think, around 5 o'clock in the morning once we got here. Then the other one came out at around, I think, about 8 o'clock. Yeah, that was only two shad that came out. And yeah, that one small sand shark I caught. But yeah, it's been quite. There was a few fish that came out during the week. Yeah, that's what I heard. And yeah, guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. That's a wrap, I mean. Stay tuned for our next episode.